I
Well,
guess,
I'll give
it's
you
all
two
about the
examples.
currency. Yeah.
I give you two examples. We could be Japan. That would be I guess, the best case scenario where, they have chronic disinflation. GDP growth in dollar terms hasn't gone anywhere in, uh, 40 years. So maybe that's the best case scenario. The stock market hasn't gone anywhere in 35 years. Um, and the Bank of Japan owns the entire JGB market, Japanese government bond market. That could be where we're headed. And the other alternative is we could go the way of Zimbabwe or Argentina or Hungary in post World War II, where we hyperinflate into oblivion. I don't know. I'm not sure if we won't have both at different times. But that's when a country gets this much in debt and has this degree of asset bubbles. It might not be the intensity of the Hungarian. The dollar may not undergo the same fate as the Hungarian pengo. Maybe we won't have thousands and thousands % of inflation, but intractable stagflation for a very long time, double digits, is very likely and very destructive.